Hi, my name is Wolfgang, and in this video I will show you how to save your work in LibreOffice. After writing your document, go to the main toolbar and press Save. The system will ask you for a file name. Find a meaningful name under which you can find your work easily. In our case, dummy. Additionally, you can define the file type, for example, doc or HTML. The default file type for writer is ODT. Finally, you must specify the target directory where to store your work, in our case 5xA. After having done all that, press Save. Hit Save frequently. A sensible way is to create your storage location before working on your document. To do that, open a blank in Writer, go to File and Save As in the main toolbar. Then specify your file name and type, and find a target directory. While working on your document, hit Save frequently. It will save you from a lot of additional work. The same work steps with different options for the file type apply in Calc, Impress, and Draw. This concludes our short video about the Save function. If you found it useful, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. If you have questions or suggestions, leave me a comment. I'll be happy to talk to you. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.